Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is a message from your future self. So I have channeled certain messages for you guys. Okay, so I'll be reading that also for you guys. So yeah, so remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are also timeless readings, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you guys. Okay, so I have 3 groups over here. So relax, connect with your intuition, center yourself, let go of all the worries, don't think anything, and just choose a scroll that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1 we have this blue color one. For group number 2 it's orange, and for group number 3 it's yellow. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, take your time. If you need more time, pause the video. So yeah, the timestamps will be in the description box. So I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen this blue color scroll, then this is your message. The message that I have channeled, I will read it later for you guys. Okay, at the end of the I will just read it. Okay, so while I was shuffling your cards, I was like, wow, things are going to look amazing for you guys. That's what your future self wants you to know right now. Yeah, right now maybe things are not the way you want, but things are going to get better and better and better. Every day will be better than the last day, right? So things are getting better for you guys. And the rune you have is Anzuz, and Anzuz is a rune of spiritual growth, communication. And with this rune, what your future self wants you to know is that spirit is communicating with you guys. Spirit is sending you messages. A lot of signs maybe you're seeing, like animal totems, butterflies. I'm getting dragonflies for some of you. Yeah, snake also. I'm getting maybe some of you are seeing snakes. It's like you are shedding your old self and now you are the new one, I'm getting. So spirit is giving you a lot of signs. Maybe 11 is something you are seeing number, or maybe 333 and 444 also I'm getting. Okay, so maybe a lot of signs. Universe is giving you a lot of signs, so listen to that signs. Okay, and for you guys it's like your future self is saying, don't think it is a coincidence, because it is not a coincidence. Okay, it's something spirit is wanting you to know. And through music you might receive a message. Okay, so if you're hearing the same music again and again, and if someone is recommending you that song every time, maybe that song has a message for you guys. So if you're if you're playing some FM or radio and you keep hearing the same song, so maybe it has a message for you guys. So be open to that message. Okay, so I'm going to start with the oracle cards first, and then let's end the reading with like later we will take the tarot cards. Okay, so look, magician's sword, confidence in your magic, right? So with this magician's sword I'm getting the card, like tarot card, like magician energy. So that's what your future self wants you to know right now, that you are the magicians of your own life, right? All you need to do is to have confidence in your own manifestation. So sometimes we manifest things, like we want big things in our life, right? We manifest it, we write it down, we script it, but then we doubt it. Okay, sometimes there is a like, yeah, oh, I'm hoping, am I hoping for a lot of good, like lot of big things? Is it even possible for me? Like sometimes we doubt it. So don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your manifestations. That is what is your future self is saying, because what you are manifesting, universe is going to make it happen for you guys, right? So don't doubt in your manifestation, don't doubt in your own skills, don't doubt in your, maybe for some of you I feel your circumstance right now is not so that good, so maybe that's why you're doubting, you're feeling that you will not get out of your circumstance. No, that's not the case. If you're praying, if you're manifesting, every day you are putting that positive thoughts, positive attitude into your life, yes, the the good things are on its way. That's what your future self is saying. You have the power to make things happen. For some of you, with this magician card, what I feel like is, like, you can make things or you can break things. Your thoughts, how is your thought pattern is going to be very important. And I feel for many of you, your universe is like warning you when you are in this negative thought patterns. I feel like the universe wants you through signs. They're telling you to get back to yourself, get back to your true authentic self. Yeah, so that is also something I feel. So your future self wants you to know that you're very, very connected to the universe. You are a manifester, you're a powerful manifester. So believe in your own confidence, believe in your magic, and confidence is your magic, right? I feel like confidence, through confidence you can achieve anything. Confidence is always like, if a person who has a lot of knowledge, but if that person is not confident in his work, then it is of no use, right? Because they will not believe in their own work, so how will other people believe in their work, right? So you need to believe in yourself, you need to believe in your own work, that yes, I will be able to do it, I will be able to achieve it. So you need to believe in your own power, the power you have. Universe has given you the power. You're a very strong you're very strong people. I feel like you're very courageous, but you don't feel it like that. You don't feel that you're courageous or you're confident, but you are. That's what your future self is saying, because your future self has seen that, right? Yeah, I feel like your future self knows that you're very confident and you're very courageous. So believe in your own magic, believe in your own you are intelligent, you are intelligent, you are courageous people, and no one can deceive you. That is also I'm getting. And I feel your future self wants you to know that you can manipulate energies. For some of you, it's very specific message. You can manipulate energy. I'm getting witchy vibes from this pile. For some of you, you can manipulate energy. You can I don't know, that's very specific, like manipulating energies. You can manipulate, maybe for some of you, you manipulate people. If it's for a good reason, then it's good, but don't do it for your selfish reasons. That's something your future self wants you to know right now, okay? But definitely be confident, guys, because confidence will lead to you a lot of success in your life, and you're so connected to the universe, and that's the most amazing thing, and you're going to make that connection more stronger as you go, okay? So yeah, then let's see. The other card is power. Look, oh my god, I'm getting this witchy vibes from you guys. Maybe you manifest during full moon, new moon. Maybe you're into tarot. Maybe you are into like spiritual things. Maybe you like crystals, and your future self is saying yes. If you want to buy that tarot deck, if you haven't bought that deck already, maybe it's time to buy that deck, because you will be very good at it, okay? Be confident. Maybe for some of you are doing that work, maybe you're doing that spiritual work. So believe in your work, okay? Believe in your messages, the messages that you're receiving. Believe in that. Spirit, as with this rune also, spirit is with you. Spirit is communicating through you. Maybe you are the one who is going to give messages to other people, the messages of light to other people. I feel for some of you, you're light workers also, okay? We're bringing light to other people. But right now, your future self is saying, maybe you are going through a period where you're not feeling very powerful, where you feel like that you don't have the confidence, you don't feel courageous enough, but that's not the case. This circumstance is going to make you so powerful, right? So focus on your spirituality, have a spiritual routine, okay? Maybe getting early, chanting, or maybe just praying, or lighting a candle, sitting with it for some minutes. That will do for you guys, okay? So something related to that, I'm getting spiritual practice is very important for you guys right now, and you need to understand that you are powerful. That's what your future self wants you to know right now, that you are powerful people. You can, as I told, you can manipulate energies. Maybe you can, if you are thinking negative, you can you can change that energy very quickly, like when you I'm getting that you can in seconds change that energy. You can change your vibration. You have the power, okay? I'm getting power of freedom. Like you are here for free. You are a free spirit here. You will do things. Your future self is saying, maybe right now you're not feeling that free. You right now you don't have that freedom. Maybe financial freedom, or or you are living with someone who doesn't give you that freedom. but that's not the case in the future. You are going to be very free. You have the power to change your reality, your thoughts. I'm getting thoughts. So shift your thoughts, right? Shift your thoughts from negative to positive. So what you want in your life, imagine it. You will be able to manifest it. You are powerful manifestors. That's the thing. You have the power to change your reality. You have the power to change the things, because we have free will, right? So you can change things according to you guys. So if you are in a space where you don't want to be, just imagine it. Give your desire to the universe, because that will happen. Okay, so you're very powerful people. I'm getting this mediumship quality also for some of you. If you don't know about it, that is what your future self is saying. Maybe for some of you, you are a little bit interested in the spiritual work. Not everyone, of course, because this is a general reading. For some of you, you are interested in tarot, you are interested in Reiki or healing or yoga or law of attraction, like coaching, life coaching, or healers. Maybe animal healing also I'm getting, or maybe nurse, doctors, healing energy, healing work for some of you, like giving guidance, or psychologist, therapist. For some of you, I feel like, but right now you are not feeling that powerful. That's the thing. Your future self is saying that right now you're not feeling powerful, but you have to understand, if you're seeing this message, your future self is saying that you have the confidence to make things according, you can create your own destiny, like accordingly. What you want in your life, you can achieve it. You have that power, but you don't know about it. Yeah, you don't know about it right now. So open your eyes, look at the signs, the messages that spirit is giving you, right? That is what. And manifest during full moon, new moon, because new moon, full moon energies affect you, moon energies affect you. Maybe you need to watch stars in the sky, because you might receive sudden realization while you're gazing at the stars. Okay, I don't know, but definitely that's what I feel like. You're very strong personality. If you're feeling that no, I'm not that strong, if you're feeling like that, your future self is saying no, you are strong. You're going to be such a strong person. And if you're going through bad circumstances in your life, these circumstances are going to make you even stronger. Okay, so, and the amazing thing is that you can create your own dream life. You have the power to create it. So start by imagining your dream life. Start by writing your desires in the journal. Give gratitude to the divine. Have a spiritual practice. Look for the signs. Now, I'm not saying that you have to crazily look for the signs. Not that. It's like when you see something, don't believe that it's just a coincidence, because it's not. Okay, so that's something I feel. Okay, your voice matters, guy. Oh wow, look, voice and knowledge. With this voice and knowledge, what I feel like clairaudience for some of you, maybe you're clairaudient. That is what your future self wants you to know, that you are hearing messages. And as I told you, through music, through music, spirit might communicate, or through your thoughts, or maybe someone will give you message, like you're talking to someone, and through someone you might receive message. So look, with this voice and knowledge, what I'm getting is clairaudience for some of you. Your future self is saying that you're clairaudient. You receive messages from spirit. You hear messages, or like your thoughts. Sometimes you get messages through your thoughts. Maybe you're just cooking, you're not thinking anything, and just a thought pops up. That might be a message from spirit for you guys. Okay, and I feel like your crown chakra is very, very activated. Future self is saying you are going to get a lot of messages, through your dreams also, and these messages need to be communicated. Okay, so don't keep that message to yourself, communicate it. Okay, so if you feel like that you need to give this message to your friend, if you feel like calling your friend, call that friend. Okay, so something like that is also there. But a lot of knowledge for some of you. I feel like you're going to learn more about the spirituality, law of attraction. Maybe you will be reading a lot of self-help books, or maybe spiritual, Reiki, maybe doing some courses. Maybe not, if you're not into the spiritual things, maybe something else, like doing PhD, some sort of knowledge, like maybe you're doing, and with this voice also, your teachers, I feel like if you're not giving that thing that you're learning, you should do it. That's what your future self is saying. And be confident about the messages that you give. So if you feel like that you have the teaching quality, then give that valuable lessons to other people. So what you have learned in your life, share it with other people. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't keep the knowledge to yourself, okay? Because knowledge is something that we need to give. Okay, I feel like that. Don't keep it to yourself. So what you learn, give it to other people, and it will be very beneficial for you guys. For some of you, maybe you can monetize your skills, like through giving messages to other people. Maybe you have that skills. For some of you, your voice is like, you have a very beautiful voice. Through music, yeah, maybe you are into music, right? You have that talent. Maybe you are musicians, or maybe you love to sing. So sing. Or maybe you get a lot of info for writing songs, okay? You get like creative ideas, your thoughts that pops up, write it down, because it will be very helpful for you guys. So you're very creative. This pile is very creative, I feel like that. And your future self is saying to be proud of that thing, and to believe in your own creation, and believe that you can make your dream life a reality. Yeah, so some of you feel like that I'm just imagining a lot of things, it's not going to be a reality. No, that's not true. Your future self is saying it will be true. So if you want to be a teacher, you can be a teacher, the teacher who will give a lot of guidance to others. If you want to be a musician, you can be that. If you want to if you want to share your voice, like share your wisdom with other people, that is what you are here to do, okay? So before that you need to align, right? You need to align with yourself. You need to align with your higher self. That is what I'm feeling. So little bit I'm getting you off the track right now. So that's why your future self is saying to believe in your magic, to see the signs that the universe are giving you, to listen to the messages and believe in it, okay? So for some of you, it's like you need to have a journal. It's like, start with a journal, have a spiritual routine, as I told you. Write down your thoughts. Yeah, write down your thoughts. Maybe for some of you, you need to share your thoughts through a book, through a blog, okay? So don't stop yourself, okay? And with this full moon, I even feel like I don't know, this is a I just channeled this message, like some of your wishes are coming true right now. Just surrender to the divine. Your wishes are coming true. And with the 16th, number 7, right? Number 7 is all about like digging deep, researching, learning. It is also about spirituality, right? So a lot of spiritual progress is happening for you guys, okay? So stand on your feet, like stand strong right now. Believe in yourself. Don't doubt, or yeah. Maybe for some of you, need to focus on meditation to align yourself, okay? So if you're, maybe for some of you, you overstress a lot, you overthink a lot. So maybe you need to align yourself first. Come back, come back to your own integrity, something like that. Yeah, be true to yourself. Write your desires that are 100% authentic. Don't do something that is not authentic to you, okay? Humility. Be humble in life, be humble in devotion. So look, this person is praying, like so yeah, I feel like that your prayers are going to be answered. I feel like that. So spirit is like showing you the signs, like yes, your prayers will be answered, don't worry about it. And your future self is like reassuring you, yes, your prayers will be answered. You will be able to live a life where you will be of some value to the society. That is also, I feel like your messages will help other people. You're not only here to make your dream life, at the same time you are here to help other people in some way. Maybe through music you relax other people, maybe through your voice. Your voice is so healing, so people love to hear your voice. Or maybe it's just like your family, maybe you're healing, maybe through your voice, when you call your family, then your family is very happy. In small ways also you're doing your best, okay? In small ways. Or maybe you just smile. You're just walking on a road and you see a stranger, you just smile and you make the day of the stranger. Yeah, or if you say hello, that stranger's day will be very good. Something, I'm just getting that. Your aura is very, very beautiful. I'm getting this green energy for you guys, like a healing energy. And yes, lot of infos, lot of messages. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you might receive so much messages, when you're sleeping. So when you wake up, you will be very, very sleepy. You will not be energetic when you wake up. So maybe because you are dreaming a lot, you're receiving a lot of messages. So have a dream journal, okay? And with this humility, I feel like, for some of you, there is a chance, like, lot of success you might receive. So be humble, okay? Whenever you receive success, also be humble, okay? That's very important. But I'm getting like wow factor from you guys. You're going to do something very, very amazing, and your future self is already proud of you. And they're like, because this future self is living that life, and she or he is very proud of themselves. So that is the thing. So let's see. Yeah, right now I feel like you're in this despair, and then look, we have coffin. So don't worry, guys. Don't stress. Yes, for some of you, you're like, why I'm not getting that thing, that dream of mine? Why I'm not getting my wish fulfilled? Why I'm not getting that job? Why my relationships are not working the way it should? Why I am back? Why my all my peers are like moving forward? Why I'm back? Like, a lot of despair energy is there right now. And look, we have the coffin next to it. So yes, this thing is going to end. It is going to end very soon. That's what your future self is telling. So be confident about yourself. If you are applying for a job, if you're not getting that job, don't get into this despair energy. Believe in yourself, believe in your thoughts, believe in your magic, believe in your imagination, because you're very you can imagine a lot. Not everyone can imagine. So I feel like this file can imagine. So envision your life, like the good things while sleeping. Do that, okay? Maybe for some of you, if you can like, I'm getting Silva method. Maybe for some of you, it's like a clue from your future self to use Silva method technique. If you're using it, you're going good. So don't get into this despair energy, because there is a lot of success, there is a lot of power coming to you guys. Maybe for some of you, you might not receive a job now, but you will get a better job that will be of higher position also. That is also something I'm feeling, okay? If you are looking for jobs, that is also I'm getting. So when you go for an interview, believe in your magic, believe in yourself, be confident, okay? Confidently attend the interview. Sometimes when we go for an interview, we'll think, oh my god, I'm not gonna get it. Don't go with that attitude at all, okay? Change your attitude also. But things are ending. This despair energy is definitely ending. There is an end, there is a transformation happening for you guys. For some of you, you might receive clarity very soon on what you need to do, okay? So maybe for some of you, like, you are changing your path entirely, like your career path is like changing. That is also something I feel like end of maybe for some of you, you have a job, you don't like that job, you hate that job. Maybe you'll be quitting that job and doing something entirely different, like writing music, doing something very creative, believing in your magic. Or maybe some, like a small wish will come true, and because of that wish, you will be able to move forward. So something like that. So you need to believe in your messages. You need to believe. If someone is constantly giving you the same message, if you're hearing the same music again and again, just listen to that music carefully. There might be a message for you guys. That's what your future self is saying. Oh my god, look at your tarot cards: Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Ten of Pentacles. What I was saying, you are going to be in a very powerful position, okay? With this Knight of Pentacles, right now things are very, very slow, because Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, right? So I feel like you're feeling why things are not happening. Everyone is moving forward. Why I'm feeling why I'm back, like you are feeling, because things are happening for you guys, right? Behind the scenes, things are definitely happening for you guys. That's why universe is showing you. Yes, don't worry, guys. Don't worry, because things are happening, behind the scenes. Right now you cannot see that, but spirit is giving you that messages. Spirit is communicating you. Spirit is giving you reassurance. I feel like your future self is telling you that you don't have to worry about anything right now, because you're going good, okay? So if you have lost a job, don't worry, because you will get something amazing. Or maybe for some of you, it's like a change in career path, where you will be recognized for your work. Like, someone lost a job, they started a YouTube channel, and that went viral. Like, I'm just giving you an example here. So yeah, So don't worry, things are going to be slow and steady. So yeah, slow and steady. It is not going to be very fast-paced energy also. That is also something I'm getting, your future self is saying. So that's why universe is giving you a lot of signs. They're telling you, don't worry, don't be in this despair energy. Change your vibration, change your energy. You can do it. You have the power. Sometimes we feel like that we are powerless, we don't have it. No, it's not the truth. You have that power. That's why your future self is saying you have that power to change your energy, to change that circumstance, to imagine the things that you want in your life, not to imagine the lack of it. Okay, so for some of you, you want money but you imagine the lack of it, so don't do it. Okay, so that's what. But look, we have Knight of Pentacles, then we have Six of Wands, and we have Ten of Pentacles. So maybe for some of you, you are going to make your family proud. Your family is going to be so happy. Maybe for some of you, it's like passing an examination. Maybe you have failed, or maybe you are going to get a very good job that is going to be recognized. And this Six of Wands energy is like it's like through mere hard work. You know, it's like you have done a lot of work for this thing. To reach here, to get this victory, you have done a lot of work. It's not easy. You didn't get it very easily by luck. No, you have done the work, right? So if you have been working for something, like maybe you're working for to get a job, you're writing exams to get a government job, or you want a high position, or maybe you have a YouTube channel or a blog, you're working on it, you're going to get that success. And you know, your family will be very happy about it. They will support you, they will be with you, they will give you all the blessings. And you know what, with this Ten of Pentacles, through your work, you will be able to support your family financially. It's like creating a legacy. You know, your future self is saying that you have that confidence in you, you have that power that you can create a legacy. You will have that much money to give to your family. You know, lot of money wise, lot of good luck for you guys. Good luck, no, not good luck. I feel like you are going to make it happen for yourself. So yeah, don't worry guys, your future looks bright. That's what your future self is saying. So right, so yeah, right now you're in this despair energy, you don't know what is happening. Yeah, but don't worry guys, I'm just getting like, wow, things are going to be so amazing for you guys. And spirit, that's why spirit is like communicating to you guys, giving you reassurance. So listen, listen to the signs. Okay, don't ignore that sign. So let's see what is your message that I've channeled for you guys. Okay, hey, be proud of yourself. You're going through a rough phase, but you know what? You will overcome it gracefully. Don't look back. You are more courageous than you think. These tough circumstances are making you even stronger. Believe in you now. Rest will happen. Read that book and get working on your ideas, because these ideas of yours are going to create magic in your life. Don't be afraid to be alone, because you will enjoy it. Your connection with your higher self is getting better and better. Things will change. The way you think will change. The way you think, the way you think will change. This is not permanent. Yeah, now the way it's like the things are going to change the way you now think, because I feel like you're in this despair energy that is going to change very soon. So that's the thing, is this is all not permanent. If you want to just sleep today, do that. Listen to the needs of your body. Take your mental health seriously. If you have an appointment with a friend or a therapist, go for it. Don't skip it. Okay, wow, that made a lot of sense. So that's it. That's it for group number 1. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this orange scroll, let's see what is your message from your future self. So I'm going to read it later for you guys. So I'm just going to keep it here. So let's see what rune you have drawn. You have drawn the rune of Sovillo. It's like the sun's energy. It's like the sun card in the tarot. If you're familiar with tarot, the sun card is all about happiness, prosperity, abundance. Like clear. You're going to be very clear about your path. Yeah, your future self is saying that a lot of clarity is going to come your way. Like the sun is so clear, right? There is no darkness there. So there is no darkness. You will be very clear about your path, where you need to go. You're going to enjoy your life. A lot of success, a lot of happiness. And for some of you, it's a message like your health is going to be very good. you will be enjoying your health, you will have all the energy to do the work. So a lot of clarity, happiness. I'm getting happiness, being clear. When we are clear about our path, we are happy, isn't it? So that is something. I'm getting happiness as peace. So yeah, you will be very peaceful also. So sometimes when we are not clear, that's when we stress. But when we are very clear about our path, we know, yes, this is going to be okay. We will not stress, right? That is what you're going, like, that's what your future self is going. You're going towards success, happiness, clarity. Okay, that's what is coming. Okay, so yeah, let's see the cards. I'm just gonna start with the oracle cards. So the first card, grace and generosity, and we have this bunny, like a rabbit, and rabbit is all about abundance again, right? And we have the Sowilo rune also. It's all about success, prosperity. So if you have been working on something, that's going to be very successful. If you have a business, if you work from home, or something like that also I'm getting. If you work from home, if you want to I'm getting, if you want to buy a new home, that is also going to be possible. Maybe you will get money from someone, or maybe some inheritance also I'm getting. Maybe you will receive money from someone, or some help from your parents or from your loved ones, or maybe someone will help you with money, like with grace and generosity. So you are going to meet a lot of generous people who will help you. Maybe you want to get a job, for example, if you're seeking job, maybe someone will help you with that, right? So yeah, a lot of generous people. So if you have a work, if you have business, someone will pay you extra, like they will be extra generous about your work. Maybe if you're an artist, they will give you some extra cash because they are so happy with your work, and you are going to meet generous people in your life. Okay, and generous people. And I even feel like that for some of you, you will have the money to give it to other people. Like you will be very generous people. You will be able to give it to other people also, because you will be very successful. So you will have the money to give it to other people. I'm getting that energy also. So your future self is saying, if you have that enough in your hands, don't be afraid to give it to other people. So don't shy. Sometimes we are fearful of spending money, so let that limited belief go. You can give it to other people. For some of you, I feel like you will be very good financially, you will be very stable financially, so maybe you will have that extra cash to give it to other people, to the needy ones. So do that. Okay, and for others, I feel like you might receive a lot of generous money for your work, because people will be so happy by your work that they will give you a generous amount of money. Or in your relationship also, like I am getting that in your relationship also, people will give you that love because you're so loving, right? Look, we have this couple here. So I'm getting like maybe for some of you, going to meet someone. Your future self is saying you will meet someone who will be very extra generous, maybe a friend for some of you, who will love you for who you are, who will not judge you. That kind of vibe I'm getting here, like who's very graceful. Look at this, they're so happy, like she's so comfortable. Yeah, she's so comfortable, she's so relaxed. That kind of relationship for some of you, it's coming. And for others, I even feel like you're making a relationship with yourself. With your inner self, you're making a relationship. With your inner child, you're making a relationship. That's also I'm getting here. You're letting go of that past traumas. You're healing your inner child. Okay, your inner child is, because we have the Sowilo, I'm getting that sun energy. It's also about inner child healing. For many of you, are doing the inner child work. You're healing yourself. For some of you, you're I'm getting like you had a dream in your child. You dreamt of something to become as a child. When we're children, we dream of a lot of things. Maybe you have this desire that you had a dream. Maybe for some of you, you are going to do that in your future. That is what your future self is saying. So something that you always wanted to become, you're becoming that person. Okay. Maybe you just wanted to meet a good person, good human being, and to have a good relationship. Maybe that was your dream and that's happening. Or maybe you wanted to grow in your career. Maybe you wanted to make a lot of money, or maybe you wanted to be an artist. Whatever it is, I feel like that's happening for you guys. That's what your future self is wanting you to know. And we have this, look at this crown, right? So yeah, like success, respect from other people, recognition from other people is happening for you guys. Trust. Okay, look, you're very, very protected, guys. Look at this bubble. She's so safe inside here. So everything is protected. So right now you might feel like you are not moving forward, you feel like you're not on the right path, you feel like there is nothing happening in your life right now. Maybe for some of you feel like that, that your dream is very far away from you, but there is a lot of protection, spirit is protecting you. So maybe if you like, if you have been disappointed, like if you are applying for a job, or a relationship didn't work out, or something that you wanted in your life didn't work out the way it should have been. If it didn't work out, it's like a message from your future self. It is for your own good. Trust right now, because this will be a blessing in disguise. So sometimes it happens, right? Some things doesn't work out, but later you will know why that thing didn't work out. So yeah, I'm getting that energy. You're very safe, you're very protected, things are happening the way it should happen. Your future self is reassuring you that your success is not going to be taken away from you. Trust right now, trust, okay, trust. You will reach where you want to reach in your life, okay? And sometimes we are so much into the destination. Your future self is saying, don't be too much caught up in the destination, okay? Enjoy the journey. Yeah, there will be ups and there will be downs, but enjoy the journey, because destination is the end, right? So I just feel like that, because when we reach the destination, then we will be like, yes, we have to go to the next destination. We'll be like that, right? Humans will never be satisfied, like one goal to another goal. So just enjoy that journey right now. You're protected, trust, okay? Yeah, so everything is going good, don't worry. Trust right now, trust. You're very protected. And we have the 5 number also. 5 number is all about changes. Maybe your life path number 3 or 5 I'm getting, or 2 also for some of you. And with this 5 number, yeah, things have been challenging for you, but you are moving towards positive changes in your life, okay? Your nest is safe, your eggs are safe, it will hatch. I'm getting that, okay? Don't worry. Divinity, okay, so right now it's time to focus on your divinity, focus on yourself. Like, I feel like you need to focus on your heart center, meditate. That's what I feel like right now. You need to focus on your inner self, inner truth. Like, what is that you actually want from your life, right? Sometimes you need to question that, what you want. Maybe you go back and forth. So you want one day this, the next day you don't want that, you want something else. So be very, very clear with your intentions, okay? Very clear with your intention. If you're clear, if you're authentic, if you're 100% authentic with it, then only that desire will manifest for you guys. So be clear, I'm getting integrity also for some of you. Integrity. Do things that makes you happy. Don't do something that don't make you happy, or maybe for some of you, for the sake of other people, you're doing something and that is not authentic, right? So you need to. I'm getting for some of you have stomach ache. I'm getting that energy, like digestive problems and all. It's because you are not authentic to your path. Because like you have a friend, okay, you are talking about your path, you are sharing your dreams with this person, and then this person says, oh, will that happen? Isn't it that too big? Then you change it because that person told you. So maybe you're changing, maybe you're not standing your ground. So maybe for some of you, you need to trust on your path, the dreams that you have for yourself, and focus on your divinity, okay? And with this, I'm getting like your third eye is very open. You can see the truth. You can see the veil. I'm getting like if someone is not so truthful, if someone doesn't have best interest for you guys, you can see it. So trust that also, okay? I'm getting like you are here to fly. You're not here to stay at one place. You're here to fly and go and like travel around the world for some of you. Maybe you want to travel around the world. Maybe that's something is your dream, maybe. And your future self is like, yes, you can make it happen. Maybe as a child you wanted to go to different places, like go to travel. Maybe traveling is something you enjoy. So yeah, that is a specific message. But if you enjoy traveling, if you want to do something related to traveling, if you want to go to different parts of the world and enjoy the food from different parts of the world, yes, you can do that. So right now, trust. You're very protected right now. Okay. uh, oh wow, look, we have protection again. Look, these two, trust your, oh my god, sorry for that. This tripod now. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we have trust and we have protection, right? So trust that you're very, very protected. You are safe, your family is safe, everything is safe. Don't worry, your future self is saying your future is protected. Okay, so believe in yourself, believe in your own dreams, believe in your own capabilities, believe that you are here to be successful. Okay, I even feel like that you might get distracted, like wishy-washy energy. I told you, one day you will think like you want to be this, you want to travel the world, and the next day you will be like, no, I cannot do it. So maybe that's why the tripod was also falling. I sometimes I'm just getting that yeah. So don't be in this wishy-washy energy. That is also your future self is saying. So if you want to achieve something in your life, be focused on your goals, keep on moving forward. Don't let other people tell you what you need to do with your life. Okay, yeah, it's okay to take guidance from other people. There are generous people around you, they will give you good guidance, but at the end of the day, you are the one who needs to make the decision for yourself, not others. Okay, you need to be sure about what you want in your life. That's what your future self is saying to you guys right now. So maybe for some of you, you are deciding on what you need to do next, what career path you need to go, what you want to achieve from your life. Maybe you're questioning that. So your future self is saying, be 100% authentic and go for it. You're very protected right now, you're very safe right now, your future looks good, you're safe, you will be successful, but you don't have to be in this wishy-washy energy, like going forward with one thing and then like, no, I cannot do that. So don't be like that back and forth energy. You need to let it go. Okay, so let's see. Wow, the two cards you got, look at it. Sudden wealth and house. For some of you, I feel like you might receive money through inheritance, or some, we have this generosity. So maybe some money, or maybe you will get a house from your family. Yeah, for some of you, inheritance, like getting land, some money from your family, getting a house, yeah, something like that is also I'm feeling. Or maybe for some of you, it's like you will get the money to buy a new home of your desire. So maybe your desire is to buy a home, and your future self is saying, yes, we will buy a home in the future. Yes, you are going to buy a home. You will have a home that is safe, that is secure, that is protected. Your family is protected, your needs of your family will be done. The money you need for, we need money to survive for all the basic needs, right? Yes, it will be given to you guys. You will have the money to travel. So yes, money wise, I'm getting good energy for you guys. So yeah, for some of you, inheritance. but for others, it can be like winning some money, so you'll be able to buy a home. Or maybe, yeah, or maybe if you're saving money for your house, yes, you will be able to do that. But yes, things look good for you guys. Or maybe, we have this, maybe you will receive money. Okay, so sudden wealth out of nowhere. for travel, you might have money. Maybe someone will give you money for travel if you don't have right now. Or maybe, your business will go. If you're into business, your business might do well and you will receive a lot of money. So you will be able to buy that home, that dream home, right? So there is a home. If you had this dream of buying a home, yes, you will be able to do it. You will get the money, you will get the help. Okay, because you're very protected. Your future self is saying, don't worry about your future. Yes, everything is safe, everything is protected. All you need to do is keep on moving forward with your goals, with your ideas, and trust and have a spiritual practice. 9 of Wands energy again. Trust, believe in your own magic. Don't give up now. Don't give up, right? Maybe for some of you, yes, this wishy-washy energy, going back and forth, not believing in yourself, trying, sometimes feeling I should give up. Maybe you're doing things and it's not working and you feel like it, oh, I should give up. No, you shouldn't. You should believe in yourself. Okay, And I even feel like some of you need to fight your own demons, like your own thinking, your own thoughts are your thoughts are your own demons. Like sometimes our thoughts become so negative, and we start, when our thoughts get negative, we don't believe in ourselves. We just get into that state where we feel like, why my life is like that. We get into that guilt energy, we get into that low vibration, we get angry, we feel like why life is so tough, and we just have that negative attitude. So don't be in that energy, okay? Yeah, we have Knight of Wands, lot of passionate energy. Look, she's drumming. For some of you, music will heal you in a way. Maybe drumming, listen to drumming. Drumming will put you into a very trance state, and in that trance state you might receive a lot of messages from divine as well. I feel like, with this drumming, like you will be feeling very relaxed when you listen to that drumming. Or maybe you are into music, or you like drumming, so focus on that goal of yours. Keep on moving forward, okay? Like there is a lot of music, like good music. As I'm, when we listen to good music, we feel so happy. That kind of energy I'm getting. Like your life is also going to be like that only. Like a good music, it will be like very happy. So don't worry right now. Don't doubt yourself, don't compare yourself, okay? So that is something I feel like, yeah, you're very protected, you're safe, your money is safe, your future is safe. Look at it, new beginnings, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. So yeah, home, new home, for some of you, that's quite possible. And yes, keep on moving forward with your ideas, because there is so much fire. Your passion, if you have a passion, keep on following that passion, because that passion will give you a lot of money, okay? Maybe your passion is drumming, maybe your passion is singing, maybe your passion is being an artist. So whatever your passion is, keep on moving with that passion. Express yourself creatively, that's very important, and you're going to be very fulfilled. And with this home, new home is that's a very specific message for some of you. New home, definitely new home, new relationship, a new relationship, like maybe getting married and going to a new place. That is also something I feel for many of you. Not many, some of you, okay? So getting married and going to a new place, new house, okay? Moving in together, or why this happened again, I'm so sorry. By group number 2, I'm really sorry for this. Forgive me for that. Okay, so yeah, new beginning, new start. So yeah, your future self is like, get excited, express yourself creatively. So whatever ideas you have, express it. Your sacral chakra, I'm getting like your sacral chakra is like very open, so you're going to receive a lot of creative messages. For some of you, it's like a new home, like new child. For some of you, yeah, new life, and you're very protected. So yeah, new beginning, new start. Your future self is saying everything is good, everything, you're safe. Keep on moving forward and trust your own ideas, trust in your own creative power, okay? Trust that yes, you can make the money you want. Dream big. Sometimes there will be circumstances when things will not go the way you want. At that time, don't doubt yourself, okay? Because you will be able to make it. Okay, I'm getting, yeah, you might be distracted. Sometimes you might get discouraged. So let's see what is the message for you guys. So I'm just going to read this out. Drink more water. Okay, so that's a message from your future self, to drink more water. Drink more water. Don't take your health for granted. Exercise properly, and moderation is the key. Don't try to do anything too much. Sometimes when we are, for example, if I start exercising, I'll be like exercising like for 3 days straight. I'll be doing it for 1 hour, and then the 4th day there will be no exercise, because my legs and all will be hurting and all, so I'll stop it. So it's like, start small, like do 10 minutes exercise daily. Now I do that only, like before I used to do it, and then I'll just stop it. So it's like there is no moderation there, isn't it? Yeah, when we are dieting, like we diet, we don't eat anything, and it will be only for a week or 3 days, and then what we will do is like we eat a lot. So maybe you need to work on that if you're that's what your future self is saying. Moderation is the key. Don't pressure yourself to diet or to eat more. Okay, take a break from it. Eat something you love. Cooking is amazing, so don't eat out, cook often. Okay. Keep your valuables safely. Remember, you are valued, your ideas are valued. Yes, you are, your creative expression is important, so express yourself creatively. Don't stop that. Like if you feel like that you need to start singing, sing, express, put yourself out there. That is something I'm getting. So maybe for some of you, don't put your you would like go back and forth. Yes, I sing, but I'm not so confident. Should I put that video out like, should I sing in front of people? Yes, you should express yourself creatively. Okay. Remember, you are valued, your ideas are valued. Yes, people don't recognize it now, but they will. Yeah, we have, so will also success. Yes, you are, don't be afraid of the spotlight. That is also I'm getting. Maybe some of you are very afraid of spotlight, so come out, and when you will be in the spotlight, people will recognize you. So you need to put that work. You need to work on that. You need to get out of your comfort zone. So don't put too much pressure. Okay, relax. Now it's time to focus inward, not outward, right? Yes, we have this energy of divinity also. So yeah, you need to focus on yourself right now. Focus on your divinity, spiritual practice, trust. Right now you're very protected. Okay, recognize yourself, appreciate yourself, tell your inner child that it is valued and it's worthy. And we have this Savillo, it's also about the sun card, and sun card reminds me of that inner child energy. So yeah, I'm getting like you're letting go of the traumas. That your future self is saying that let go of that past things, let go of that, heal your inner child. That is what you need to work on, like telling yourself every day that you're worthy, that you're valued. Like yeah, that's important. Encouraging yourself every day, not discouraging yourself. Okay, we discourage ourselves very easily, isn't it? We say, oh my god, this is not happening, I'm not good at it, no, I cannot do it. Before attempting something, we say that I don't know, I cannot do it, even though we don't even try it. So maybe before saying that, try it. Okay, I'm getting that energy. Look in the mirror and say how amazing you are. Do it. Do your positive affirmations regularly. Don't stop it. Yeah, get that dog. Okay, for some of you, that's a specific message, to get that dog if you have been wanting to get a dog. Okay, so yeah, that's the message for group number 2. And I'm sorry because the tripod fell off. I'm so sorry for that, group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you have chosen this yellow scroll, let's see what is your message from your future self. Okay, so what is your message from your future self? Let's see. And the rune you have drawn is Manaz. I'm going to read that later. With this Manaz, what I'm getting, your future self is telling you to align your mind, body, spirit, meditation, and you need to work on your spirituality. I feel like that is what your future self is saying right now. You need to have a higher perspective, like get out, take a step back from your daily routines and reflect on things. Like you need to work on your shadow self. That is what I feel like. Okay, that is something your future self is saying. I'm getting like for you guys, like it's like tough love messages also. Like you need to work on yourself, need to work on your shadow self, and you need to understand there a person has two sides. There is a good side, there is a bad side. Sometimes you need to balance those two sides. Don't try to be always a good person. Sometimes we need to be tough. Like sometimes I'm getting this like for some of you, I'm getting like this energy where you are being very good. You're being very kind, but when you're like that, you're not giving things to yourself. Like you need to practice more self-love also. You give a lot, but you don't receive that much. So maybe you need to balance it out, because everyone gives. You are that kind of givers. You give a lot, but when it comes to receiving, you're like, oh my god, I cannot take it. When it's money also, or maybe sometimes it's like you feel like that you are not you cannot receive. Maybe for some of you, you feel like you're not worthy enough to receive, so you need to let it go. That is what I'm feeling. So aligning yourself to spirit, connecting yourself with spirit, blending yourself with spirit, asking for guidance from spirit, because you can receive it. That is what your future self wants you to know right now. So whenever you're feeling stuck, if you feel like that no one is there to help you, ask for guidance from spirit. You will be given. Okay, you're very connected with, I'm getting you're very connected with the you're very connected with the spiritual realm. That is what I feel like. You have this connection, but you're not using it, you're not trusting it. Okay, I'm getting that. Maybe for some of you, you need to combine your intellect and your intuition and your common sense, like have a balance in that also, like balancing your divine feminine, divine masculine. So maybe for some of you are into this masculine energy, you're not in this feminine energy. For others, it's like you're in this feminine energy, you're not in this masculine energy. So there should be balance. Balance is very necessary, right? So if you're working, you work hard. Maybe for some of you, work, you don't receive, you have problem receiving. For some of you, receive, you have you feel like you cannot give your 100%. Maybe you cannot give maybe you feel like that you are only here to serve. Like for some of you, I feel like that you are here to you are here to only serve other people. You cannot follow your dreams, your goals. It's not the case. You are here to follow your dreams, your goals. That is something your future self is saying. We have the first card is many masks, the authentic self. Yes, look, this person is so relaxed, so calm, so peaceful when this person has removed all their masks. So that is what your future self is saying. You need to take out that mask. For some of you, you are in a relationship for the sake of other people, because maybe you're not feeling that you're financially independent, so you are in this relationship and you're suffering, you're wearing a mask, you're showing other people, yeah, everything is good in my life, but inside you're suffering. So if that is the case, it's time to really remove that mask. Maybe you're in a job that pays you well, but you're not happy there. Maybe it's time to be authentic to yourself. It's time to remove that mask. Maybe you are you're hiding your true self, you're hiding your own potential, you're hiding your skills, because you feel like that it's not worth enough, right? So if that is the case, remove that. You're worthy, you're worthy, you're here to receive, you're here to have the abundance of the universe. So remove that mask that you have put on. Okay, for some of you, I'm also getting that your future self is like telling you not to believe in everyone blindly. You're a very kind and compassionate person, but you need to trust your intuition when you meet new people, right? If you're signing contracts, if you're whatever you're doing in your life, so trust your intuition. Don't trust people blindly. Okay, that is something I feel like. So yeah, it's like you need to reflect on yourself. You need to work on your shadow self. Everyone has a good and a bad side, so you need to balance that also. So sometimes we feel like that we don't have the right to get angry. We have to always be in this positive attitude. I'm getting for you guys, like you feel like you have no right to get angry. Yeah, it's a low vibration anger, but it's an emotion. You get angry. Sometimes we get angry, but we don't have to be, we don't have to show it like aggressively. We can, yeah, I'm angry, so I can just work on it, right? But sometimes we suppress it. Don't suppress your emotions. Express it. Express yourself. Maybe for some of you, you're in a place where in the child also you were not allowed to express, so you don't express yourself. So your future self is like, you need to express yourself more. You need to express your skills. Maybe you are a painter, you used to paint, and your parents never encouraged that, and you are like, no one will encourage, no one will like my painting, so you don't draw or you don't paint because you feel like it will not be appreciated. So you need to let that go and work on it. Like, yeah, you need to express your gifts, you need to express your talents. Maybe you have certain talents, maybe you have certain spiritual gifts, but you are like very afraid to express it. Maybe you need to express yourself, like remove the mask and express yourself. I feel for many of you in the past, there has something must have happened where you expressed yourself and people didn't appreciate you or didn't support you, and so you're very afraid to express yourself. Like your future self is saying that is not going to be the case in the future. You need to express yourself more. You need to express your needs. Like as I'm getting like a homemaker, sometimes I'm getting that energy where a homemaker, like they understand the needs of everyone. They give the best to everyone, but at the end they don't fulfill their own needs. They keep it at the back. Like they give it to their parents, they give it to their children, they give it to their spouse, but sometimes they don't give the things that they want for themselves. So don't do that. Okay, express your needs. If you want certain things, certain materialist thing, express it. You have the right to get it. Okay, that is also your future self is saying. If you want to do something, if you want to do, you have been taking care of kids, now maybe you want to go out and work, maybe you need to express that. Or maybe you're in a relationship because you feel like you are financially you're financially dependent and you want to move out of that home, but you cannot because you are financially dependent on other people, right? So you feel like that you're trapped here. It's just your feeling. You're putting yourself in a box. You can move forward with your dreams and desires. You need to take that first step. For some of you it's like that. Maybe for some of you are in a job that pays well, but you are not happy there. Maybe you need to remove that mask and do something that makes you happy. So yeah, you're very afraid. So that's what you need to work on, your shadow side. You're suppressing things. Maybe for some of you need to let it out, release that. Okay, yeah, there is a path waiting for you guys. There is a new path, new opportunity that is waiting for you guys. So you need to open up. You need to be authentic to yourself. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to go. So I had a phone call. So yeah, so this path is waiting for you guys, right? A new path. And we have the number 8 here. With this 8, it's all about infinity, right? Infinity, a lot of opportunity. You're not seeing the opportunities for yourself because you are wearing this mask. You're in this comfort zone. You feel like that you cannot get out of this comfort zone. Maybe it's not even a comfort zone. You're not feeling good about it, but you feel like that you are here to stay like this only. So you're putting yourself in a box. And Spirit is saying, your future self is saying, remove that mask, get out of that box and explore, because the path is waiting for you guys. Their doors are opening for you guys. So when you take that first step, so if you're feeling like you're financially dependent on someone, maybe it's time to express yourself. Maybe it's time to get that job. Maybe you can do something from home, right? Yeah, it's like sometimes we feel like that we are in a jail. We make ourselves feel like that we are in a jail, and for some of you I feel like your future self wants you to know that you can get out of that. There is a path waiting for you guys. All you need to do is like this. She wants to get out. She wants to have a new path. She's just waiting here. All she needs to do is to climb this ladder so she can have a different world, like a whole new world, right? Whole new perspective. So yeah, you need to step back. Take a step back right now, view from a different perspective. Your situation you need to view from a different perspective and then take action. Okay, so yeah, you need to remove that mask, be authentic to yourself, take a step back, see things from a higher perspective. Is anyone taking advantage of you? Are you in a place where you're not happy? So maybe you need to change your direction. Are you in a career path that you're not happy? Maybe you need to change that path. You need to change that direction. Spirit is with you. Ask their help. Opportunities will be given to you guys. A lot of opportunities I'm getting. Okay, for some of you need to protect your finances also. I'm getting, don't trust people blindly on that also. Okay, that is also your future self is, yeah, assistance. Look, there is assistance for you guys. Spirit is with you. They are guiding you. They are showing you the way. They are telling you to get out of your comfort zone. They are telling you to remove that mask. You don't have to be in this place. If you're not happy there, you don't have to be. You need to express yourself. Spirit will be there with you. There is assistance available 24/7 for you guys. Okay, I'm getting for some of you that you're devotees of Krishna. Krishna is with you. He's guiding you. He's telling you that yes, take that first step. Yeah, sometimes we feel like oh my God, my world will fall apart. Everything that I've built will go. No, it will not. because something more amazing will come for you guys, because you're extraordinary people. You're not here to lead a very ordinary life. For some of you, everything is good, you have a good family life and all, but there is a new path waiting for you guys, and you're like, no, I shouldn't go out to this path, I'm in my comfort zone. No, get out of your comfort zone, explore new things, because this is going to be so beautiful. And that is also something spirit wants you to know, and they are with you, they are guiding you, they are giving you that steps. Just all you need to do is take that first step, and everything will unfold for you guys. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, look at it. For you guys, a lot of esoteric information is I'm getting esoteric. For maybe for some of you, you are into this esoteric things, knowledge, lot of information is going to come your way. I'm even getting like yeah, you are this new path will take you high, it will take you to different places. It's like a new journey for you guys, new life for you guys. So that's why they're telling to get out of your comfort zone, to remove that mask, and to be your authentic self, to pray for the things that you want in your life, right? And don't worry about small things, don't worry how you will do it, because there is a power with you. The universe has your back, and at the same time, you know the knowledge, the truth will be revealed to you guys, how you need to do it, how things should be done, and you will be able to do it. Okay, yeah. And with this distance horizon, yes, some of you, your wishes are coming true. Your future self is going to saying that your wishes will be coming true. Okay. And yes, for some of you, you are psychics also. I'm getting like just a very specific psychics. Trust on your psychic ability. Maybe for some of you, you have this limited belief that you cannot do tarot related to religious factors or something like that. Maybe it's time to get out of it also. For spirit is saying that. Maybe explore your talents. For some of you, I feel like that. You feel like that you're not talented enough, but you are. So get in touch with your creativity. Explore that. There's so much more. You haven't seen anything right now, I feel like, because you are in this comfort zone. There's so much you have to explore. That is what your future self is saying. There's so much information for you guys coming in the future. The way you are living now is going to be entirely different. Very, very different from the way you live now. It's going to be entirely different. That is what the message is. Wow, telepathy. You have the gift of telepathy also, so you can communicate with spirit. You receive a lot of messages at the dream time. You receive a lot of messages. Look, Baba can communicate with anyone, anytime, anywhere. Look for signs. So yes, spirit is communicating with you. They're giving you signs. They're showing you signs. So yes, what you feel is correct, right? And with this distance horizon also, I feel like a lot of information, a lot of truth is going to be revealed to you about yourself. You will understand who you are, why are you here, what is your talent. That is all going to open for you guys. A whole new life is going to be open for you guys. Okay, but just remove that self mask and be authentic to yourself. Yeah, walk away from things. So you need to walk away from things. Sometimes we feel like that, oh my god, if I walk away, will the sun rise? Yes, the sun is going to rise. It's going to be a beautiful future for you guys. So you need to walk away from certain things, certain habits. Maybe you don't have, you shouldn't suppress your emotion, express it. That is something I'm getting for you guys. Move away from people who are not good for you, who are not treating you well. Move away from toxic people. Spirit is with you. Doors will be open for you guys, and I feel your future self is reassuring you. Sometimes we feel like that we cannot do it because we are putting ourselves, because we don't have the intelligence of the universe. So much universe can see so much more than us, right? That's the thing. Yeah. 5 of Wands. You need to, you're thinking too much. You're in this conflicted energy. Oh my god, what if I do this? There is so much competition already in the world. What is the use of starting a YouTube channel? Before starting, you will think like that, like, what is the use of starting a YouTube channel? There's so much things, the same thing people are doing, same content. There's so much content there. There's so much competition there. Why are you thinking about the competition content? Do your work. What you're called to do, do it. Be authentic to yourself instead of worrying. Wow, 3 of Pentacles. We have 7 of Pentacles, and we have 9 of Pentacles. Look at it. 3 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles here. So the things that I told you, some wishes are going to be fulfilled for you guys with the 7 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. If you are worried about your finances are going to be very, very much stable. So yeah, I feel like the thing, finances wise, what you're receiving is just a small amount. You're going to receive so much more in the future. So if you're doing a work right now, like I told you, if you have a job right now, there is so much more to it. Maybe for some of you, you need to work with other people. If you are working alone, maybe collaboration, work with other people. That is also I'm getting. For some of you, you are into creative things. Maybe you need to, okay, I'm not saying to quit your job and do something like that. No, don't do. Maybe as a side, start small. Maybe invest like half an hour. It will grow. Maybe your hobby will grow into something that will be very successful for you guys. So start small. Maybe if you're a homemaker, you have some creative things in you. You are creative. Like maybe you like to make something out of cloth, or maybe you love knitting. Start doing that. Start small. It will grow into something very beautiful. So first you need to walk away from your own conflicts that you have in your mind. Be authentic to yourself, and you are here for extraordinary things. Okay, that's the message. That is what I feel like. So if you plant a tree, like if you plant a seed, it will grow. It will grow into beautiful things, and it will give you so much of abundance. So yeah, take that first step now. Move away from things that are not serving you. Do something now. So if you have already started a business, keep on working on it, because that will grow into something very beautiful. Okay, if you're getting an opportunity, take that opportunity. Okay, yeah, there is I'm getting for you guys a whole new world, like that kind of song is coming. Whole new world, a different life for you guys. But be authentic first. Work on your shadow self. That is also a message from your future self. Let's see the channeled message for you guys. Group number 3. Why are you looking at other people's success and thinking that you will not achieve that level of success for yourself? It's not true. You are here to achieve more things than you can imagine now. You're worrying over something that will not be a concern for you in the future. Stop second guessing yourself. Take small steps now. Keep going. Don't doubt. When doubt, just breathe and let that feeling go. Let it go. Believe in the magic of the universe, because believing is seeing. If you don't believe, you will never see. Work on your confidence now, because you are here to do amazing things. Lots of things are not revealed to you now. It will be at the correct time, but now go with the flow. Yes, you are going good. You are on the right path. So for some of you, I feel like you have already started this journey. So yes, you're going good. And for others, some of you, you need to work on that thing. Okay, you need to do that. You have been feeling it intuitively. Okay, so that's it. Group number 3. Bye bye. Take care.